Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Priscilla Palaparthi, working as Assistant Professor from NRI Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to tell about the conditions, mastering if conditions. So there is a famous quote, if you will change, things will change for you by Jim Rohn. With this I am going to start the mastering in if conditions. So let's start. What are conditionals? So here today we are going to discuss about a topic called conditions, if conditions. What are conditionals? Here is a structure. Conditional sentences discuss known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. For example, if clause, condition, and the result will be in the main clause. So if clause will be the condition and main clause will be the result. The order can be reversed without changing the meaning. Okay, so here are the four main types of if conditionals. The first one is zero conditional, second one is first conditional, next second conditional, and the last one is the third conditional. So first, zero conditional is all about general truths and the facts. The first conditional is all about the real possibilities in the future. Second conditionals is all about unreal and imaginary situations now. And the third conditional is all about regrets in the past. So today in this PPT, today we are going to discuss in brief about the zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and the third conditional. The zero conditional. So here is the usage. So when we'll be using the zero conditional? It is used for general truths, scientific facts and habits and things that are always true. So here is the formula. If it's in present simple, the result will be also in the present simple. So here are some examples. If you heat ice, so it's in the present. So the result will be also in the present. It melts. If it rains, the grass gets wet. If babies are hungry, they cry. So this is the concept of zero conditional, where the usage is always about the general truths, scientific facts and the habits. So if the condition is in the present simple, then the result will be always in the present simple only. So this is the concept about zero conditional. So let's go into the first conditional. The first conditional is all about the real possibilities. We use this to talk about the things that are likely to happen in the future as if the certain conditions is met. So here the condition is in the simple present, means the result will be always will plus verb. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. So at present means if I study hard, in the future for sure I am going to pass the exam. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. Next, she will be the late if she doesn't leave now. So these are the few examples of first conditional. So let's see about the second conditional. The second conditional, it's all about unreal, present or future. It is used in the imaginary situations or things that are unlikely to happen. For example, if plus past simple, the condition is in the past simple, then the result will be always in would plus verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a boat. If I were you, I would accept the offer. They would travel more if they had more time. So it's all about unreal present or future. This is the second conditional. So let's see the third conditional. The third conditional is all about the past regrets. Okay, so here is the structure. If plus past perfect, the always result will be would have plus V3 form. For example, if I had woken up early, I wouldn't have missed the bus. Next, if she had studied, she would have passed the exam. We would have come if we had known. So these are the examples of third conditional. It's all about, it is used to talk about the situations in the past that did not happen, or it often expresses regret or relief. So this is all about the third conditional. So here is a quick chart about all the conditionals, usage, if clause and the main clause. So coming to the zero, it's all the usage is all about the facts and habits, and if clause is present simple, then the main clause will be in the present simple. In the first one, the usage is all about the real future, and if clause in the present simple, the main clause is all about will plus base verb. Next, second, it's all about the unreal present. If clause in the past simple, then the main clause will be would plus base verb. Next, third one, its usage is all about unreal past, then the if clause is about past perfect, then the main clause is all about would have plus V3. So this is a quick comparison chart about the zero conditional, if first conditional, second conditional and the third conditional. So we have some mixed conditionals also. So let's see what are the mixed conditionals. Sometimes the time if clause is different from the time in the main clause. The most common mix is about the past cause or present result. So this is a probability of the events happening. See here, zero fact, almost 100%. First conditional is likely, it will be like 75%. Second conditional, it's like unlikely, it's only 15%. And the third one is impossible. Third conditional, impossible. Some common mistakes we have to avoid when we are like discussing or when we are dealing with the if conditional. So what are the common mistakes? Now, will in if clause, for example, never use will directly after if in the first condition, as we discussed. See, if I will see him, I will tell him. That's absolutely wrong. So what's the correct one? If I see him, I will tell him. So this is the correct one. One more one we have, was versus were. In the second conditional, use were for all the subjects. For example, if I was you, that's wrong. If I were you is the correct one. So see, these are some of the examples of conditional. See, if you leave ice in the sun. So I want people to just look after these sentences, and this is about the example of zero conditional, first conditional and the third conditional. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you so much.